Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor. I'm here to show you one of our top selling couples floor plans, the 203 RKLE. This is a rear kitchen setup, a very cool floor plan. You won't believe the counter space you see on the inside of this thing. Let's start on the outside, talk about some of these exterior features. You can see our new graphics package out here, new front logo, front window, really good looking front setup here. We've also got some unique things going on in this front area here. We've got a utility hookup here that's great for a pet leash. You've got a power tongue jack, standard equipment. You've also got a dual propane setup on this model. All of our dual axles are gonna be dual propane. Also on the other side, you've got battery disconnect standard, and you've also got a nice little holder for your 7-way plug. Keep it out of the debris, keep it clean for you. Let's take a look at this pass-through area here. You've got magnetic door catches here. You've also got slam latch baggage doors. Not only do we have full pass-through area, you've got aluminum bed bases on everything, which is a big deal, giving that extra structural support. You've got a 3/4 inch drill bit here that we include. But this makes it very easy to put those manual jacks, those stabilizer jacks up and down. You've also got motion lighting here. Every pass-through area has motion lighting, but you do have the ability to turn that motion off if you want it to be just a standard on and off. You can do that as well. We've got friction hinge entry doors here. So if you've got your hands full, you've got kids going in and out, that's a really nice feature. The door's not gonna close. You can see here, you can throw that door and it's gonna stay where it's at. So a very nice upgraded feature there. You've got MORryde platform steps here as well. MORryde made some great changes, made this top step bigger. We've got the engraved kick plate that's actually going to shine light through it, so it's backlit when you have the porch light on. So that's a safety feature. It's going to light up your steps for you. We'll look back here and see the outside kitchen setup on this 203. You've got a place for your standard suburban griddle. You've also got a dump sink, and you've got a fresh water spray port. And you've got a mini fridge back there as well, you can see. All right, this is the rear of the 203 RKLE. Not only do we have a standard roof ladder on every single Surveyor, the roof is PVC membrane. It's the best material out there on the market. Backup camera prep on everything as well. Here you're gonna see our optional bike/utility rack. You can also put generators, coolers. So a lot of versatility with this rack. Before we step inside, I want you guys to see the new black aluminum wheels as well. It's a nice change we did for 2022. Hey guys, we're inside the 203 RKLE, one of our top selling couples coaches, under 25 feet and under 5,000 pounds. You're not gonna believe the amount of space inside this unit. Let's get into it. Unbelievable amount of counter space. Again, you've got Surfex scratch stain chip resistant countertops. You got your branded bottle opener here, but a ton of storage. Look at all these doors and drawers. If you're into cooking and food prep, this is going to blow your mind, the amount of space that you've got here. You've got your refrigerator here in the back. That is our West Coast optional 8 cubic foot refrigerator. What you're typically going to get is a 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. It pairs very well with our solar system that comes standard. We've got an 80-watt solar panel, standard equipment on the roof. It's a Go Power system. They are the best in the business when it comes to solar. Been doing it for over 25 years. But that system is going to power your lights, your slide outs, your 12-volt refrigerator when you're off the grid. I mean, it's going to maintain that battery for you, keep it charged, you know, when you're getting out and outside the campground. So keep that in mind. You've got our new cabinet glass for 2022. A ton of great storage here in this 203. You've got your oven and range setup here. What's nice about this, you've got your glass stove cover. If you're not using the range top, you can put this down, gives you even more counter space. You've got a nice single bowl stainless steel sink here as well. Sink cover does come standard. You've got a knife block, and then you've got a spatula holder here that's built in as well, branded. If it's going to accommodate some of your bigger spoons, spatulas, things like that. Let's check out this dinette area here. You've got some nice wall art that we incorporated for 2022. 4-person booth dinette. It's going to accommodate 4 adults very comfortably. It gives you a ton of space, whether you're eating dinner, playing cards, playing games. Ton of space here. Big panoramic window you can see there. You've got ventilated windows in the slide out walls. But you've also got our brand new easy access dinette storage. What we did do was give the customer full access to this under storage area. Take the cushions off, and then what you've got, a strut assisted lift system. So it lifts up. A lot of times you'll have cabinet doors here or pull-out drawers that really don't allow you to access this full area. But with this setup, you can easily access these items and not have to stick your hand in there and wonder what you're looking for. And then another thing we did for 2022 was this live edge dinette tabletop. Goes all the way to the back of the wall, so maximizes that space, gives you this nice curve. So really going to accommodate, you know, all your table settings here as well. But a ton of space in this dinette. And I also want to mention we've got 82-inch ceiling height, so that means taller slide outs. So when you're stepping into this dinette or this sofa, whatever's in the slide, it's going to be a lot more comfortable for you. Before we head back to the bathroom, I want to talk about a couple more things. We've got a 15K AC standard. You also have ducted heat through the cabinetry. So you're going to see here on the floor, no floor vents. You've got ducted heat throughout, but we also take it a step further and have a dedicated duct to the underbelly. So when you're running that furnace, you're forcing air to the underbelly. It's keeping those tanks warm for you, which is very important if you want to extend that camping season a little bit. All right, guys, check out the bathroom of this 203 RKLE. You've got the nice sliding door here, huge entry space into the bathroom. You've got a nice residential type shower set up there. You've got our slow close retractable shower door. It is mildew resistant. You got porcelain toilet in every single model. You've got the nice residential black medicine cabinet. That medicine cabinet has some cool features. Also has a toothbrush holder in there that's built in, so very cool. But a lot going on in this bathroom. You've got your linen storage, but just a ton of space in there for under 25 feet and a ton of nice upgrades. Let's go to the front of the unit. I'm going to show you this Murphy bed setup. We're in the front of the 203 RKLE. This is a couples coach. You get additional seating area. You get the sofa and the full-size dinette. But look at all the storage we've got here. We've got storage underneath the jackknife sofa, full extension pull-out drawers, a ton of space there. You've also got drawers on either side here, three additional drawers. You've got power and USB, built-in cup holders, oversized wardrobes. So these are oversized, going to accommodate even your tallest hanging clothes here. And then we've got a nice addition for 2022, the cargo net. That's going to keep all your items in transit. They're not going to be falling out, so that was something nice we did for 2022. But this is a standard jackknife, going to fold down very easily. Lays down flat, which is nice. But this Murphy bed system, very easy to use. It's very lightweight, but this latch is very convenient. You can do everything with one hand. It's very lightweight. This is a laminated piece, so it's high quality and lightweight. And this is going to lay down. This is a 60 by 80 bed. It's important to know that because not everybody offers that in a Murphy bed setup. This is a residential queen bed, and you're going to see that in every single floor plan that we offer. But look at the bedroom setup here. You've got a ton of storage. We maximize this cubby area where a lot of people don't. A lot of people will take those wardrobes straight back, a lot of dead space. We maximize this, give you the most storage we can. But if you've got CPAP machines, iPads, anything you want to charge back there, you're able to do that. And just a ton of space. You've got the nice front window setup. You do have a pull down shade to keep the light out. But just a ton of great storage in here. Again, this Murphy bed, very easy to put up and down, locks into place, one hand, and then this jackknife is going to set up very easily. But this is one of my favorite couples coaches. Again, easily towed by a mid-sized vehicle, of course a half-ton truck, but you're under 5,000 pounds and under 25 feet. And I'm telling you, when you step in here, you will not believe the amount of space you get in this unit. But again, this has been the 203 RKLE Couples Coach Legend Series. Thanks for joining me.